Hey there, fellow business owners and finance enthusiasts. Let's be honest, juggling Xero and Excel can feel like a constant dance between two different worlds. You've got your accounting software meticulously tracking every transaction, and then you've got Excel, your trusty companion for analysis, reporting, and those what-if scenarios. But what if I told you there's a smoother way to navigate this data dance? Today, we're diving deep into the question, can you link Xero to Excel? And more importantly, how can you leverage this integration to streamline your workflow and unlock powerful insights? Now, you might be thinking, why bother? Xero has its own reporting features. And you're right, Xero offers a decent range of reports. But let's be real, Excel still reigns supreme when it comes to customization. Need a specific report that Xero doesn't offer out of the box? Excel gives you the power to tailor reports exactly to your needs. Advanced analysis. From complex formulas to pivot tables, Excel is a powerhouse for digging deeper into your financial data. What-if scenarios. Want to see how a price increase or a new product launch might impact your bottom line? Excel allows you to easily model different scenarios. So, if you're ready to unlock the full potential of your financial data, let's explore the different ways you can link Xero to Excel. 1. Xero's export features. CSV and Excel export. This is the most straightforward method. Xero allows you to export data like invoices, bills, bank transactions, and more into CSV files. You can then easily import these CSV files into Excel. Pros. Simple and readily available within Xero. Cons. Requires manual exports, which can be time-consuming, especially for frequent updates. Data updates require re-exporting and re-importing, potentially leading to data inconsistencies. Xero reports. Many Xero reports can be exported directly to Excel. This provides a quick and easy way to get your data into a format you can work with. Pros. Convenient for accessing predefined reports. Cons. Limited customization compared to exporting raw data. 2. Xero's API. For developers or those comfortable with coding, the Xero API offers a powerful way to connect Xero to Excel. You can use tools like VBA, Visual Basic for applications, within Excel to interact with the API. Pros. Enables real-time data synchronization between Xero and Excel. Allows for highly customized integrations. Cons. Requires coding knowledge and can be more complex to set up. 3. Third-party integrations. Several third-party tools and apps can help bridge the gap between Xero and Excel. These tools often offer features like automated data synchronization. Schedule automatic updates to keep your Excel spreadsheets up to date with the latest data from Xero. Data transformation. Clean and transform your Xero data before importing it into Excel. Advanced reporting and analysis. Access pre-built templates or create custom dashboards within Excel. Popular options include Zapier *, a powerful automation platform that can connect Xero to a wide range of apps, including Excel. Power Automate, formerly Microsoft Flow, Microsoft's workflow automation tool that offers robust integration with Excel and Xero. Dedicated Xero add-ons * explore the Xero app marketplace for specialized tools designed to integrate with Excel. Let's illustrate with an example. Imagine you're a small business owner who wants to analyze your sales trends over the past year. Using Xero's export feature, you could export your sales invoices from Xero as a CSV file. In Excel, you could then import the CSV, create pivot tables to analyze sales by month, product category, or customer, and even visualize your data with charts and graphs. With a third-party integration, you could automate this process, ensuring your Excel spreadsheet is always updated with the latest sales data from Xero. This allows you to quickly identify any trends or anomalies and make data-driven decisions. Tips for a successful Xero Excel integration. Plan your workflow. Before you start, think about how you want to use the data in Excel. What reports do you need? What kind of analysis do you want to perform? Data cleaning. Ensure your Xero data is clean and accurate before exporting or importing. This will save you time and frustration later on. Security. If you're using third-party integrations, choose reputable and secure providers. Start small. Begin with a simple integration and gradually expand your use cases as you become more comfortable. Now, let's address some common concerns. Will this affect my Xero data? Exporting data from Xero generally does not affect your data within Xero itself. However, always exercise caution and back up your Xero data regularly as a precautionary measure. Is this integration suitable for all businesses? While the basic export features are suitable for most businesses, the complexity of the integration will depend on your specific needs and technical expertise. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.